1955 Chevrolet 3100 short bed half ton pickup truck. This is a 55 model. This was the last year of the fat fendered first series. 235 original 235 cubic inch full oil pressure engine, coupled with a 3-speed column change transmission. This truck has had considerable amounts of work done to it to make it what it is today, and it's a good driving truck, but obviously there's always scope to be improving. Running, runs very quietly. It's the quietest 235 that I've had. They're normally quite tappety. This is a lovely quiet engine. A lot of work done to it. New plugs, plug leads, water pump, rebuilt radiator. Starts very well, hot to cold, straight up. Very quiet, very quiet engine. As it's actually a 1955, one of the last ones, it's actually got the open drive shaft, whereas up till this year, up to the 54, they had the torque tube, enclosed torque tube for a drive. It's had new tyres, new brakes, new glass in the doors. Well, read the advert. It's had a lot of time and money spent on it to get it to this standard. It's now a sort of a usable running driving truck, but these things, it's 64, 65 years old, whatever it is, they always require some tinkering. All the bodywork is original, with the exception of this rear fender, which has been replaced at some stage with one off a red truck. All the doors shut lovely. She's purring away. Get in touch if you've got any questions. Very nice truck, hard to find now in this condition. Thank you.